Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the Kinect connected and recognized. This is crucial because the scanner needs depth and color streams. Once the drivers and your chosen scanning app are installed, position the Kinect on a stable tripod about 1-2 meters from the object. Make sure to remove reflective clutter and minimize direct sunlight so depth data stays clean. Plug in external power if required and launch the app. You should see live depth and color feeds before you begin scanning. Now you capture the geometry. Set resolution and temporal smoothing to balance noise and detail, because higher smoothing reduces jitter but hides fine features. Start capturing and either slowly circle the Kinect around the object or rotate the object on a turntable. Keep motion steady and overlap each pass by about 30 to 50% to ensure registration. Once done with a full pass, inspect the live mesh for missing sections and rescan those areas. This iterative capture prevents gaps and simplifies alignment later. Finish by processing the raw captures. Run registration to align frames, then fuse the point cloud into a unified mesh so you have a watertight model. After fusion, apply cleanup tools to remove isolated noise and use decimation to reduce polygon count if needed, because it makes files manageable for printing or online use. Export as OBJ or SDL and bake the texture. If you spot holes or misalignments, rescan those spots, tweak smoothing or sensor position, and rerun Fusion to fix issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.